So before we even film, the most important thing you have to do is set up your green screen. Number one, you're gonna need stability for shooting your film. If you're lucky enough to have a tripod, that's amazing, but not all of us have that. So what I tend to use is a desk or a table or even something to set your elbows on because we don't want the screen to be shaky. Now when it comes to the green screen, the biggest thing we wanna do is to use fabric. Fabric's great because it doesn't reflect the light at all. Dollarama has $3 tablecloths. Those are my go-to, and you can see we've sewn 4 of them together for a ginormous screen. The other thing you want to do is try to eliminate as many wrinkles as possible, but the biggest thing is because we're using dew ink has an extremely forgiving chroma key that's going to get rid of those wrinkles right away. If I look over here, you can see, you can't even see wrinkles on the screen at all. The other biggest thing you need to do is worry about lighting. Now, I'm pretty lucky here. I actually have a bank of lights right over my green screen. We have to be careful because lighting can create shadows, which can affect the picture and it'll make it a little blurry on the back so it doesn't look super realistic. The other thing to be aware of are windows. When that sun comes in, that's going to affect how your green screen looks too. The other thing you want to do is you want to anchor your green screen. Now I just threw some books out on here because it's what I have in my room, so I put those there, but I'm going to cover them up anyways with a floor covering because I want the floor to be green as well. The next thing I'll also do is I will mark somehow, we'll use a meter stick, tape, but I mark for my students where the green screen is going to end because if they walk off that green screen, they're no longer on the film. I've gone ahead and added the floor part to it, so now I have a full green screen where you can see the students' shoes and you can see the top of the screen. I do recommend putting some kind of friction tape or carpet stuff down on the bottom because you don't want anyone sliding on that bottom part. Check out our playlist and other videos about using dew ink and green screen in the classroom. Here you'll find sample projects, things your students can do right away, and simple tips and tricks about green screen.